Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to read through this week's words together and talk about our patterns. You're going to be working with short A and long A, and we're going to see the long A present itself in a couple of different ways. So let's go ahead and take a look at our words. So we have black, brain, rash, mane, chain, said. Second column, space, main, paint, blame, faint, camp, frame. Last column, rain, tail, place, train, want, tail, and flash. We have a couple of homographs this week, meaning words that sound exactly the same when you say them, but they have different meanings. So we have the words main and main. MAIN meaning like the number one thing that you might be working on or the main person that you want to talk to. The other main, MANE, is the hair on a horse's head. Then we have tail and tail. The first tail, TALE, is a story. The second tail, TAIL, is the thing that you would find like on a dog. So let's take a look at our headers this week. So we have short A. You're going to hear A when we read those words. You have long A, but we are using CVCE, so consonant, vowel, consonant with an E at the end. And lastly, you have long A with C, vowel, vowel, C. So two vowels in a row. So we're going to look for that. So looking at our bold words, our short A, we have black. Our long A with an E on the end, space. You hear the A when you say space. And then we have our long A with the two vowels in the middle, rain. And you hear the A say A in that word. Our vowels for the long A with two vowels in the middle will be AI this week. So you'll be looking for that as well. We do have an oddball this week. We have the word said down here at the bottom. Said has two vowels in it, but our A and our I are not saying A in that word. So that's going to be your oddball this week. All right, kiddos, read through your words, say them out loud. Are you hearing A or are you hearing A? If you're hearing A, does it have an E on the end or does it have two vowels in the middle? Go ahead and get started, and happy sorting.